Ngayon, I'll be teaching you on how to sew this standard size of pillowcase at 20 inches by 30 inches. So, there is one piece of 32.5 inches by 21 inches, and then 21 inches by 40 inches. What you're gonna do with the smaller piece is to fold 1 inch here from one end this way. Okay, double fold it and then stitch. by 30 inches. Okay. At ito ay may seam dito kasi kulang yung material na binigay nila. So, nagtugtong lang ako dito. Pero ngayon, one end must be folded for half inch allowance like this, and then double folded. There you go. Then, okay, lay down your bigger piece here. It must be facing down, and then the smaller piece must be facing up like this. Okay, so magkatalikod ganito. Okay, then this unfolded side must be pinned. Okay, like this. And here also. So you have to check. It must be parallel with each other. Okay. Then go to this part here. It's not the same, sa? It's not the same. What we are going to do is to fold this one this way, but it will end here. Okay, like this. So this one will be used as the cover. Okay, and then you have to stitch it here. Half inch allowance only for the stitching. You have to, you have to back stitch it. Okay, then this one. Pag narating nyo itong seam dito, mag-lock kayo. Back stitch kayo para hindi agad matastas yung inyong pillowcase. Kasi sa kabubukas natin dyan ay madaling masira. Ilagay na din ninyo ito. Ito ay fold nyo na din pag ganon. Okay, then pin it here. Check nyo dito kung okay siya. Yan. Yan, okay siya, diba? Ngayon, pin nyo muna dito at ilagay ang label. Paipit nyo ang label dito. Okay. Tapos, dito ulit, backstitch. Okay? Yan. Ganyan lang. Then, backstitch ulit dito sa edge. And then, step is to overlap around these stitches. So, from there, overlap mo lahat yan hanggang doon. So, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Babaliktarin na natin. I-fold nyo dito sa corner. Fold it this way. Okay. Then, yan. Nakaganyan siya. So, baliktad natin. Then, at tusukin dito sa loop corner niya. Huwag nyo masyadong tusukin ng sharp object. Huwag nyo masyadong i-push kasi mabubutas siya. Okay? Ano lang, slide. Gentle, pag-push lang. Okay? And then, do it on the other side too. And this is it. Okay? Ito na siya. Okay. Okay. So, this is the upper part. The longer piece is the upper part. And like this. Okay. Ito yun. Parang dito maihahide yung kanyang laman. Okay. And this is the lower part.